is up, you guys? It's your girl Bryn, and today I'm shooting my first official video for this channel, which is super exciting because this channel is all about me. So some of you might be familiar with my face if you know you're a subscriber from my other channel, and some of you may be new here. So if you are new, hello, my name is Brandy, aka you know Bryn, aka you know B, whatever you want to call me. And this is my new channel that I'm super excited about. So you know I'm gonna be doing a lot of different content on this page, you know, maintenance vlogs, because your girls, my nails are trash. Or actually, they're not trash. They're not trash. Look at them. They're actually fairly healthy. So, but you know, we're gonna be getting our nails done. We're gonna be doing clothing hauls, hair videos, chit chat, get ready with me, you know, all that good stuff. So again, if you're new here and you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, and let's go ahead and get into it. Obviously, you guys are here for one thing. Y'all want to see how I went from this to this. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I already prepped my hair for this pony. So I just, you know, got my hair wet because I don't want to, I'm trying to avoid putting heat, like a lot of heat on my hair. So I didn't want to blow dry it and flat iron and do that method. I actually wanted to do like the wet method. I detangled it so that we don't have any issues when it comes to brushing through it today, you know what I'm saying? Getting it nice and ready for a slick pony. So what I have, all the tools that I have for today: 2 packs of this Ras Afri, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Knepalong braiding hair. You know, the handy dandy brush for the edges, because we're gonna get some swoopty whoopty. But listen, this stuff is godsend. This stuff is amazing. I go through this stuff like clockwork. Like, look, once a month I need a refill. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna start by deciding where we want my part to be. So where we want my part to be, we're gonna do the middle. And just go ahead and train your hair. Tell your hair where it's about to go. This is where you are about to reside for a couple of days. So just go ahead and get used to it. You know, put that ponytail back there so it's aware. Now your hair is aware of what's about to happen, okay? It actually isn't pre-feathered, but we're gonna make it work. So on this channel, if y'all hear me talking about stuff like I know what I'm talking about, it's because I do. Beautiful, you know, beautiful connect-along twins over here. Start with our slickage. I'm very heavy-handed, very, very heavy-handed. If you're gonna be with me and we're gonna do this together, that's one thing that you should know about me, is I'm very heavy-handed when it comes to the product. Y'all, I'm not doing no middle part. I am not doing no middle part. Bruh. See, y'all got me on here messing up already. Okay, we're not doing the middle part. We're doing straight back, and we're gonna let the baby hairs talk, okay? Alright, so I kind of have it molded into, you know, the form that it's about to go into. And I know my hair is wet, but I don't like to put another wet hairband on it, so I'm gonna put one that's dry. And y'all, these are life, because like I said, my hair is thick. I go through hair bows once a day. Like, I need a new pack every day. So I discovered these, and these don't have that little, just look at them. You see what it ain't got. I don't know the technical term for what it ain't got, but y'all see, it's just like a never-ending hair bow. I don't know why the Lord decided to give me all this hair and these small hands, because I just can't. And y'all know, all the girls out there know, this is the struggle part right here. This is the hard part. Okay, so now I'm kind of gonna go in and detangle this pony a little bit. And don't worry, once I get to the braid, I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see. But I think I wanna go ahead and lay these edges. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with this pony. We're gonna get to the part y'all came here for, okay? I'm basically just gonna use this like a regular hair bow. And I'm gonna tie it around my real ponytail. Okay? So now I'm gonna flip this pony back over and we're done. I am going to take a piece from both sides. So I'm gonna take a piece from, can y'all see? Can y'all see? I'm gonna take a piece from over here, and then I'm gonna take a piece from over here. So now I got two pieces in the front, okay? Out of my way, baby. I'm gonna tie them because, you know, they like to be disobedient, okay? Brush my hair into this braided hair. All right, so we're gonna have to add some hair into this. Listen, if you have thick hair, this is for you, okay? Honey, that my hair should be able to blend into. Okay. Check your mirror, make sure you're good. I'm basically gonna put it in between the two that I'm getting ready to braid into each other. And I'm gonna use my finger that's anchoring one side of that section to grab a new section and place it in as if it would be there to begin with, okay? I'm gonna cut it, but not blunt. I wanna cut it at a point. And then I'm gonna cut it up. Like instead of going like this, I'm gonna cut it facing. Get rid of some of that bulkiness that we don't want. Also, you know, boil some water if you want to. So we got time for this. Bye. And there you have it, nice and cute, real sexy, you know, real like sleek, super cute, super easy, you know. Let's do intro. I really like it. I think it's super convenient, especially if you don't, you know, you don't have time to do a whole sew-in or whatever you want to call it. Also, this is a very protective style, and I am trying to make sure that I don't put a lot of heat on my hair, so this is really ideal for me. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to become, you know, one of my sisters, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, and I will see you guys next time.